We'll wait a couple of minutes before we start, so we'll just hold tight. And a few more people. I thought I was gonna screw this one up too, because I'm in Atlanta on Eastern time. But glad I remember, didn't forget. We'll wait about 3 minutes and then we'll start. Whoever's here is fine. Whoever's not, they can catch the recording. While we're waiting, if anybody has any questions, I can answer them now. All right. We're just gonna talk quickly about what we have left to do, because this is probably gonna be our last meeting. So, well, our last meeting for the semester. Um, but what you should have already submitted at this point, your data sheets should have already been submitted, and then your the NMR assignment, which is right here. No, not right there. Hold up. Here, the NMR assignment should already have been submitted, and you had to finish the video that was there, the YouTube video here. in order to complete it. So hopefully you already have that submitted. And I'll have to get take some time between tonight and tomorrow night to get this stuff graded, but I'll definitely have it graded in the next week or so. So the last two things that last three things that we're going to do. Let me go back to the announcement from yesterday. So we're going to have a one-page report on Naperson, which I'll show you in the other window, and that's going to be due December the 8th. We're going to have a references assignment, and it's a very simple assignment. You have to find 3 references dealing with Naperson, and then convert them to ACS or American Chemical Society format. So that's what this link is right here. If you click that link, just open it in a new tab. If you click that link, it'll open up this citation generator. And all you have to do, let's say, let me show you real quick. So if I pull up, let me just pull up a JOC article. If I pull up Journal of Organic Chemistry, and then I pick one of their, if I'm going to include one of their articles in my paper, then I would just, this is just, it's coming. So let's say we just pick this article right here. Why it's so slow loading? So this is the article that I'm picking, right? All I need to do is take the link right here, copy the address, put it in the free generator like that, click search, boom, and then that is the citation. So you would just let's see, it's a journal, not a website. Right. So if you click on that, it'll give you the reference. So this is what ACS format looks like. So last name and initials, and then a semicolon between each author, and then the title, the journal title, the year in bold, the issue number, and the volume number, or volume number, issue number, and the page number. Right. So all you have to do if you were using this is just cut it and paste it. So you would do that and you can include the DOI also in the reference. But with your 3 references, you can just, once you find them, get the website and then paste it into this link, and it'll generate the reference for you. Right. So you want to have, that's for the references assignment. Very simple assignment. 3 references related to Naperson, and then you just put them on a Word document in ACS format. And then here, the final. So the final is going to be open on December the 8th. It'll close on the 13th, just like the midterm was open for a week. And you can take it any time in that window, as long as you take it before the 13th. So over here, this is the Naperson assignment, and these are the instructions. So it's 1-page report on Naperson, and you're going to submit it right here at this link. And this is the rubric, basically. And when you open it, there's a rubric associated with the assignment also. But this is what needs to be included: the origin, manufacturers, 2 manufacturers, common uses, side effects, alternatives. All these things have to be addressed in that 1 page. And then 3 references in ACS format. And when you put the references in, you want to put them in as footnotes. How many of you are familiar with how to add footnotes to a Word document? Just hit the hand raise button. Nobody. Wow. All right, hold up. I'll show you right quick. Wow. Because typically, y'all normally probably use APA or MLA, but when you write chemical documents, then you want to use ACS format. So I'll show you even using the glass, and then I'll wait on Word to open. So here, if you want to put an ACS, put a reference in a document, in a footnote. Right, I'm just going to put this. So you'll put it outside the period or outside the punctuation mark. And then what you would do is just click references. And then insert footnote. Boom, right there. And then paste it in. Now hold up. Let me take that out because it should have pasted as. There we go. Right, because the footnote is always a smaller font than the rest of the paper. So you just click references, again, references, insert footnote, and then paste in your reference. And that's it. So when you're writing that Napperson paper, that 1-page paper, when you put your 3 references in, make sure you include them as footnotes in ACS format. But that's here in the assignment as well, in the instructions. Right, so here include 3 references in ACS format. Use footnotes to add references to your document, and then the link to that citation generator is here again. So you can't lose. If you follow the instructions, you can't lose. And then the references assignment is right here, still all in the same folder. So it's just a blank Word document. All you do is open it, put your references in ACS format, and save it, and then upload it right back to here. I thought I put that link down here, but I can do it now. Anybody got any questions? Let me just add this link right quick. So that references assignment, everything is due on the 8th. And so is the paper. And then the final is going to be open up between the 8th and 13th. And then the final thing here, you have to also include an NMR spectrum of Napperson, but you can just look that up. Like you can Google that and you'll find it. All right, any questions about anything? Thank y'all for logging in too. I apologize for 1 o'clock, but Enterprise is giving me a hard time. All right, so the announcement that I sent yesterday is still there, and it's got the due dates. It has the link to the citation generator. It's got the date for the final, everything. So all you have to do is plug these dates into your calendar so you don't forget, and walk these assignments down. That'll be the last thing that we have to do for the class. And no questions. Everybody understands everything, and we good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right. If we're good, then we don't have to stay past the time. If everybody understands and we got all the dates and no questions, we can just log off. Make sure that you if you do have a question, then just email me, and then I'll answer to the best of my ability. All right, yeah, you're welcome. No problem. All right, so if everybody's good, we'll log off, and you have your marching orders and your due dates. So we're good to go. Thanks for a great semester, and I'll see some of y'all in part 2 next semester.
Thank you.
All right, take care.